Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Collapsible Stools is probably one of the most versatile and convenient seating options available for adults today, perfect for everything from camping trips and outdoor concerts to sporting events and even just relaxing in your backyard. In this video, we will explore the top features to look for when choosing a collapsible stool, ensuring you find the perfect portable seat for your needs and lifestyle, based on various factors such as weight capacity, portability, comfort, and durability. Number 5. Deere's Life Collapsible Stool. This innovative stool boasts a patented fish scale structure for incredible strength and rigidity, supporting up to 397 pounds. It's far stronger and more stable than other brands on the market. Reinforced ribs and side supports provide superior anti-tiltability. You can confidently sit and relax knowing it's built to last. The included cushion bag enhances comfort and keeps it clean and organized, whether you're at home or on the go. It also adds a touch of style. Easily adjusted to your perfect height, ranging from 2.5 to 17.15 inches. It's suitable for people of all ages and heights. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, from the kitchen to camping trips. Its portability and durability make it ideal for any occasion. We stand behind its quality. If it breaks within a year, contact us for a replacement. It's the perfect gift for friends and family. What we like. It boasts a patented design for incredible strength and stability, even supporting up to 397 pounds. The reinforced structure prevents tipping, ensuring safety and confidence. If you need a sturdy and comfortable stool for various uses, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is very stable and safe to sit on. It is easy to carry and light. It can be folded and placed in a corner without taking up space. The stool itself is very sturdy and works great. Assembly was a breeze, telescopic mechanism was perfect, I sat on it for a good hour. Number 4. NUMANU Collapsible Stool. Our US-based brand offers a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. We're committed to your satisfaction, simply contact us with any issues. It weighs only 2.2 pounds but supports up to 400 pounds. This redesigned stool is stronger and lighter than ever before. A dual carry bag and 2 carabiner clips are included for easy transport and attachment. No more plastic knocking together. Unlike other stools, it has a secure lock to prevent unexpected opening. You can rest assured it will stay closed. It's easily adjustable to your desired height. Collapsed, it's compact; expanded, it's ready for use. It's perfect for camping, concerts, fishing, or anything in between. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This product comes with a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the included carry bag and clips add extra convenience. If you value durability and portability, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. The folding mechanism works smoothly, and when collapsed, it takes up minimal space, perfect for storage. The seat is sturdy enough to support my weight, about 190 pounds, and the material feels durable. They are lightweight and very sturdy. I have tested them with a friend of mine who weighs about 220 pounds. This collapsible stool is a perfect blend of portability and durability. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and surprisingly sturdy for its compact size. It folds and unfolds effortlessly. Number 3. GCI PackSeat Camping Stool. Need a comfortable seat on the go? This portable stool is lightweight yet durable, perfect for any outdoor adventure. It's built from sturdy powder-coated steel, supporting up to 250 pounds. The patented anti-splay design adds extra stability, so you can relax. The included carry pouch keeps it secure and compact. A carabiner lets you easily attach it to your backpack or belt loop. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the shock cord construction of the legs. It's ready to use in seconds. When folded, it's incredibly compact, easily fitting into any bag. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, it won't weigh you down. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or attending an outdoor event, this stool provides a comfortable and convenient place to rest. What we like. This stool is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for outdoor adventures. It's built to last with quality materials and construction. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and easy-to-store stool for camping or other outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. It folds smaller than others. Better for quick lift trips around the city waiting. It's sturdy. I'm 200 pounds. I feel okay. This stool is perfect to take on a painting trip. Very lightweight to carry, and it folds up so small I could fit it in any bag or backpack I am using and still have room for my other painting stuff. Great carrying bag, very well made with a good handle, over shoulder or hand carry. It has a nice high height, so easy to get up after sitting on it. Accurate web description. It's very sturdy and well made. Very lightweight, so carrying it along with is not an issue even for long distances. Also folds up small into the carry bag, so strapping it on your bike works well. The seat area is small, but I find it steady to sit on. I've not found that to be the case at all. The only complaint I have is the rather large instructions sewn into the seam on the outside of the carry bag. Number 2. Upgraded portable collapsible stool. It's the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Its lightweight and durable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. This foldable round stool collapses easily for compact storage and transport. You can take it anywhere without hassle. It folds in half for quick setup and storage, saving you valuable space. It's ready to use in seconds. The telescopic structure provides sturdy support, holding up to 485 pounds. You can sit comfortably and confidently. Weighing only 1.2 kilograms, it's made from sturdy materials that ensure long-lasting performance. It's built to last. It's ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, gardening, BBQs, and more. Take it on all your outdoor adventures. What we like. With a maximum weight capacity of 485 pounds, this stool is exceptionally strong and reliable. Its retractable design allows for easy storage and transport. If you need a lightweight yet incredibly strong stool for various outdoor activities, this is the one for you. What people say. He wanted something without arms, easy to use, and portable to take on our outdoor adventures. It is easy to open and close. It is great to use when you are working on something low and it is uncomfortable to stay bent over. It is also great for having a quick seat in places where there normally are none, lake, parks, abandoned haunted houses. Seriously. It's very strong and easy to use and adjust. Number 1. Boreeman upgraded folding stool. It's built with a patented fish scale structure and reinforced plastic, so it can hold up to 400 pounds. You'll be amazed by its strength and stability. Weighing only 2.54 pounds, it's easy to carry with the adjustable strap. Take it anywhere, camping, fishing, or even around the house. The precise design makes it super easy to extend and retract. Open and close it in seconds with a smooth, effortless motion. It adjusts to 12 different heights, from 2.36 to 17.72 inches. Find the perfect height for any situation. The snap joints keep it securely closed, so it won't open unexpectedly. It's perfect for carrying on the go. What we like. This stool is impressively strong, supporting up to 400 pounds, while remaining remarkably lightweight and portable. The smooth, easy operation makes it a breeze to use. If you need a sturdy, portable, and easy-to-use stool for camping, fishing, or other outdoor activities, this is a great option. What people say. This stool extends up to about 17.75 inches high, a pretty normal sitting height. When collapsed, it is only 2.5 inches. It can be set for intermediate heights. It has a nylon web strap for a carrying handle, and a shoulder strap of the same nylon material that stows when not needed, by wrapping around the collapsed stool and secured with Velcro. The seat of the stool is just under 10 inches diameter, and I find that is adequate for my needs. Of great importance, the stool is rated to hold 400 pounds. Pull it open, twist a bit clockwise to ensure all the sections lock open, and then when you're done using it, twist a bit counterclockwise to make it collapse. You have to pull and rotate to make the chair open and close. It does not accidentally collapse, at least for me. I haven't weighed myself in years, but I'm probably 170 to 180 pounds. It's only 2.5 pounds, so not very heavy and super easy to open and close. I felt very sturdy because of the design, and I would buy it again in a heartbeat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.